Bilang pagpapalakas pa sa kampanya ng pamahalaan laban sa ilegal na droga, pinangunahan ng DILG Cordillera ang isang orientation para mapataas ang kamalayan ng mga estudyante, guro at empleyado ng paaralan ukol sa epekto ng ilegal na droga. Nagkaroon ng mas malawak na pangunawa ang mga estudyante ng University of the Cordilleras sa physical, psychological, social at legal na epekto ng ilegal na droga. Ito ay sa isinagawang Youth Choice, a drug-free life engagement program nitong Miyerkules sa Baguio City.
Today's gathering is more than a commemoration. It is a reaffirmation of our shared responsibility. Sinasama po namin kayo, our young generation, to build safer, healthier, and more empowered communities. These core elements, health-centered governance, community empowerment, public awareness, and behavioral change, and unity for the Bagong Pilipinas, affirm that addressing illegal drugs goes beyond enforcement.
Kabilang sa aktibidad ang diskusyon sa Republic Act 9165, Roles and Functions of Anti-Drug Abuse Council, Effects of Illegal Drug Use, PNP Advocacies and Operations Against Illegal Drugs, and Anti-Drug at Youth Development Programs for Students. Nagpapasalamat naman ang Sangguniang Kabataan ng Baguio City sa suporta ng pamahalaan at sa patuloy na pagsulong ng kanilang kapakanan.
Who work behind the scenes, maraming salamat po. Your tireless efforts show that safeguarding the youth is a shared responsibility. Today, you are helping create a safer, a healthier environment where young people can flourish without fear or risk. As part of the SK Federation of the City of Baguio, we remain committed in advocating for programs that strengthen the youth holistically. Programs in mental health, programs in sports, in leadership, in education, in skills development, and culture and community involvement.